Welcome to
I thought y'all knew.
I am your host, Tyrone Bridges. Let's get it.
Never saw it coming. Yet he 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 never saw it coming. There it goes again.
Yeah, you didn't see it? No, because y'all was down there the last time I was here. I didn't see, I only seen Sister Frost and Brother Frost. I seen you. Because you told me that Tyrone wasn't, coming.
Okay, y'all, forgive me for a second. I just want to get y'all undivided attention.
Okay, we ready.
Man, sir.
Once you decide
So, everybody have been through class and understand the basics from start to finish pretty much. You guys got packets and everything. I know y'all said y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
I enjoy it.
This right here, when I get all that stuff off there, it's going to take you guys to a different level. But I want to share a few things to get y'all to understand that as soon as the county quit playing with us, we'll have computers for everybody. Okay? So, this is the latest information that I have. You see the date?
Okay, you got to do
I'm sorry, the 13th.
July the 13th.
And this is the pack. See how thick this is?
Like the king said,
So my mom have always told me, don't rush people when they're giving you something.